Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Pooja's Kitchen Time. Today I am showing how to prepare ghee rice with coconut milk. This flavorful rice is a very good combination for any veg or non-veg gravies. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and share as much as you can. To make this recipe, here I soaked 1 bowl basmati rice. Even you can use Sona Masuri rice too. 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise, 2 to 3 pieces of cinnamon, 8 to 10 cloves, 4 to 5 cardamom, 10 to 12 pieces of cashews. It's optional. If you add, it gives a very good taste. Handful of mint leaves and coriander leaves, 1 chopped onion, 3 to 4 slitted green chilies, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half a bowl coconut milk, oil and salt as required. Now in a pressure cooker, add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and ghee. If you are calorie conscious, you can skip the ghee. Even without ghee, it gives almost the same taste. Now in goes whole spices. Saute it well till the aroma comes. Now add cashews. Fry it till golden brown. Then add chopped onions, slitted green chilies. Saute it well. And then add ginger garlic paste. Saute till the raw smell goes. Even you can make this in an open pot. Now it's fried. To this add mint leaves and coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. And then add coconut milk and around 1.5 to 2 bowls of water. Salt to taste and let it boil. Now it started boiling. Add soaked rice. Please don't cover the lid immediately. Now let it come to a boil. And cook the rice till it is 80% done. Now the water is almost evaporated. Cook for some more time. Now it's 80% cooked. Almost all the water is evaporated. There is very little water left. Now cover the lid and reduce the flame and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. And switch off the flame. Now the pressure is released. Let's check the rice. It's cooked perfectly. Each grain is separate, it's not mushy. If you cover the lid immediately, the rice will be mushy. So now the very flavorful coconut milk ghee rice is ready. Serve it hot with any veg or non-veg gravy. If you like my today's recipe, please hit like and comment. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipe updates. Thanks for watching. See you soon.